Hello and welcome to this quick how-to video. Today we're going to show you how to easily add users to your Keepnet account using a CSV file. This simple process will save you time and get your team set up really quickly. To start, on the left-hand side, you're going to scroll down into Company and then click into Target Users. On this page, you have the blue plus button. We're going to click into New, and you have the option for a couple different methods. Today we're focusing on import from a file, where we're going to use a CSV file to import our target users. There are 3 steps here. The first one is uploading the file. If you would like to use a template, you can download an example sheet here. Once you've filled in that template or added your own in here, we're going to select the file within here. For the purpose of this, I'm going to use the example download sheet that we have on the platform. Clicking into the blue Next button at the bottom right-hand corner, the next step is to select your group. So you may already have groups added into the platform, or you might want to create a brand new group. For the purpose of the video, we're going to create a new group and call this one All Our Employees. The second step is mapping. So we have first name mapped to first name, last name to last name, phone number, email address, department, and so on. If perhaps you've labeled the title of the column something different to what we have, you might find that it is blanked or says non-selected. In here, you're just going to select the one that it should be mapped to. Clicking into the blue Next button here. The final step of this process is to import and validate the information. So here we're just making sure that all the information that we've inputted in is already in the right places. Now from here you can actually select to import a specific group of people, or select those people that you want to import into the platform. However, most of the time our customers would like to import all of the users on their CSV. So you're going to use the Import All button at the bottom right-hand side. This takes you straight through to the job log, so you can see exactly what you've done there and any previous logs that we've had in the platform. When you go back into Target Users under Company, you'll see all of the users that we've added in the platform there. If you'd like to make any edits to these users, you can click on the pencil on the right-hand side and you'll see all of this information in here. Additionally, if you would like to remove any users, you can use the 3 dots and click Delete. You can add the user to an existing group if you'd like this user to be part of an additional group to the All Our Employees group. And you can also view the groups that this user is part of as well if you would like. If you have any questions, please use our chat on the bottom right-hand side, or you can use our documentation on the bottom left.